This is kind of a 5 in here. Here's a 2004 Duracraft 10-inch box fan. I picked this up at Goodwill a long time ago for $1, and it's a really good running fan. I really like it a lot. Um, I just took a video of my Aries box fan. I should say my grandma's Aries box fan, and this is the fan I purchased from Goodwill. So here's hi. Yep. And low. High. And off. Here's the side of it. The back of it was just kind of dirty, but come on. Oh well, whatever. Because I used it to ventilate, when I was cleaning one of my vacuums, I was using it to ventilate all the dust, so, and, kind of got a little dirty. Alright, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.